fuck am I? Okay, so I was just playing Roblox, and I got like, I think no clipped. I guess. Okay, well, I didn't get any objectives. This is so eerie, dude. I can smell them thick thighs from here. I'm going over there, bro. What's a player? Look at this player, dude. Yo, what's up? Yo, back away, bro. Back away! Yo, what are you doing, bro? Get away from me. Yo, woman, where'd she go? She's a little noob. Hey, lady. Yacht! Man.
The store is now closed. Please exit the building.
How do I get up? It looks like you're too small. You're not tall enough to ride this ride. Riding my dick. So now they like play. Bro is so small, he can fit under that right there. Am I like alone? Alright. We should probably start making camp. Click that. Yeah, well, he's over there. How do I... Oh! We're climbing up. Yo, what is up, gang? What's up, brother? I'm sorry, I hate that meme. I don't know why I did that. Made a little base. We're gonna take advantage of that and just... Oh, God. Damn. Looks like we're in... Kier. Alright. Welcome to Kier. We got a Rubik's Cube bat, bro. What was that? Let me turn my volume up. Can I shout? Like, what was that? No, I'm whistling. Okay, I got it. We're gonna put it... Alright, bro, we're gonna put it right here. Right there. It's gonna be my pillow, alright? Where's... Are they still down there? They're still down there. Okay, that's fine. Look, we got a base, we got a... Hold on. We got a base, we got a Rubik's Cube, bro, and it's daytime. We even got my little girlfriend over there. Her name is Malachi. That has nothing to do with Spell Slayer, just saying. How do I rotate it? My health is very low, bro. And my energy... Oh, well, that's gone. Oh, is there somebody over there? We got another base over here. I like that one even more, bro. I'm going over there, bro. I don't know what you're talking about, bro. It would help if I... Can I jump? Right. Ugh, that failed miserably. I'm gonna go over here. You didn't even see me. You didn't see me. Okay. What is going on here? Yeah, I don't know. They must be, like, inactive during daytime or something. Maybe I'll just build a ladder, like, right here. What's that? That looks important. What's important right now is we gotta build a base, alright? I keep getting sidetracked, bro. I can't keep doing that. Okay. Maybe I'll build some stairs. No, but the monsters can get up. How do I rotate it? Y. That's my Y button. How do I make it go up? Hold. Oh, I can extend it. That's pretty sick. You don't stop. How do I make it go away? Okay. So I think what I'm gonna do is go get the ladder I threw. Or maybe I'll just create like a little bridge across. I'll probably just do that. That seems so much more simple. My energy is so low, I don't even know what I'm supposed to do here. That looks like... It looks like Calvin. Alright, so I'm gonna I'm gonna build a bridge. I've decided on that. This is so sick, by the way. This is like literally the forest, but like in Ikea. Because you know I crash landed here. I was on my MetaQuest browser, incognito mode. You can probably assume what I was doing. I'm just yapping right now. I don't even know what to say. We got a lot of stop. Oh, you know what happens when you die, I think? I think you like spawn randomly. So I don't know how to get more health. I also can't reach that. Is there fall damage? I probably pallet. I can pick up. Oh, yeah. Oh, I can just do this. Why can't I drop it? How do I place? How do I place? Okay, I did it. Let's go. I don't remember what button I pushed. I should probably know that. What is that, dude? Have a seat. I dare you. You know what? I'm gonna sit down. Alright? I'm gonna freaking sit down. We got pizza? Stop whistling! Oh, I don't even have to open the menu. Somebody made me a nice little house. Golly. That's... Yo, they actually went all out. Is that glass? Kinda hope that's glass. It wasn't glass. I'm gonna take this toilet. Because obviously we gotta have a toilet, you know? I'm literally gonna carry him out. Ah! I just peed a little bit. I may have to go to the bathroom. Well, that's what what am I speaking right now? So we made it back to base. That was something. I'm gonna poop right here, so I have a view when I poop. You know, like. No. I'm starting to get a little angry. Know what happens when I get angry? Right at the corner here, right there. Okay, I want to find other players because I feel I'm getting a little sad. Is that another player? I can't tell. Like, why is nobody out here? Oh. Is that a person? Or is it that? No, it's one of those baby employees. Literally nothing out. Oh my god, I found somebody. I found somebody. I thought I was. Oh my god, I really found somebody. You know what? We're gonna work together. Alright, I'm just gonna follow them. Is that another person? There's like an entire civilization out here. Alright, we gotta go. No! Yo! No. Please, I just found people. Dude, I just found people. Why can't I jump? I just found people. What just happened? Is that another person? I don't know where I am. Oh. I'm gonna go up to her base. I don't know where the other person went. I really found people. I can't climb the ladder. How do I climb the fucking ladder? How you doing? Uncrouch. Oh. Oh! Alright, I think I'm gonna build some more of the base. Okay, well, I can't do anything with that. Question. Alright. Yep. Bloody cat. Tutu kitty lover. You know what? Great question. I can't even spell, dude. I was hungry. Simple as that. You know I got food. I know. I just prefer keyboards. Uh-oh. There's a bad guy. Yo, what is this? This is sick. They got a whole, like, thing. Let's see if I can see one. I can't really see one, but I'm gonna go find one. I'm going to get it. Alright. Thank God what? Oh, the night. Or thank God could. Oh, you got a TV. Why am I so tall, man? Heck yeah. I think this is where we're gonna end it all, folks. Thank you so much for watching.